What's the difference between an employee and an independent contractor? The court in Parker v. Domino's Pizza Incorporated employed its analytical skills to come to an independent explanation of the different relationships. Domino's Pizza Incorporated is a franchisor that contracts with franchisees nationwide to operate Domino's pizza joints. A franchise agreement and an operating manual prepared by Domino's govern the relationship between Domino's and its franchisees. Both documents require franchisees to operate the franchises according to Domino's directions. Domino's dictates what products and services franchisees can and can't offer, a franchise's location and building plans, the furniture, fixtures, and equipment that franchisees may use, detailed rules for food and beverage preparation, quality, appearance, and delivery, and packaging requirements. Domino's dictates how franchisees operate and administer their businesses, accounting, bookkeeping, and reporting methods. But the franchise agreement also states that the franchisee isn't an employee or agent of Domino's Pizza Incorporated. J&B Enterprises Incorporated operated a Domino's Pizza franchise in Florida and employed Jeffrey Hoppock as a delivery driver. While on a delivery run, Hoppock collided with another car. Passersby Ralph and Ricky Parker went to help those injured in this collision and were themselves injured when a third vehicle hit them. The Parkers sued Domino's, J&B, and Hoppock, alleging that Hoppock recklessly and negligently caused the first accident. The Parkers further alleged that J&B and their employee Hoppock were operating as the agents and employees of Domino's Pizza. Domino's sought summary judgment, asserting that Hoppock was a J&B employee, but that J&B was an independent contractor, not a Domino's employee or agent. Based on the governing provision in the franchise agreement, the trial court granted Domino's summary judgment, and the Parkers appealed to the Florida District Court of Appeal.